So again we have to go to a poem, that is next, that a poem Rainbow. The rainbow. The rainbow. So here we have to start the rainbow. Here this is a poem, very good poem and very little one. So we have to read fast. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that reaches heaven over the tops of trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier than these. So here, first stanza, then two stanzas are there. First stanza, boat and ships. You can see, you have already seen that boats. Have you seen boats? And also ships. Boats, ships. Boats, sails means S-A-I-L-S. Sails, S-A-I-L. Sail, what is sail? That is float. F-L-O-A-T. That boat float on river. Boat floats on river. That what ships floats on the sea. So here what clouds, that is here the comparison is clouds. Clouds sail where? On the, so here kind that got clouds that sail across the sky. So clouds across the sky. So here, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. The poet says, both ships are man-made, but clouds are made by nature. So which is prettier? Clouds are prettier. Pretty, P-R-E, pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. So here we have to comparative degree prettier. Y turn into I-E-R. So that is prettier. And then how? That is the superlative prettiest. So like this. We have to compare boats and clouds. Prettier is cloud. Prettier clouds are prettier far than these. Again, there are bridges on the rivers. You have seen bridges. We have bridge on a river. So as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges away. Here, the poet says that it's a natural bridge here. Natural bridge. So that is natural bridge. Which is natural bridge? That is rainbow. Rainbow is the natural bridge. So here, but the bow that bridges heaven, so over the tops of trees. So here, suppose this is trees. These are trees. So here, we can find the rainbow falls like this. From this side to that side. So it is compared as a bridge. As bridge connect one side to other side of the river, like this bridge, that is rainbow, connect this part of the sky to the other part. So it is a natural bridge. So here, and built by God, it is made by God. So here the poet says, over the tops of it, and builds a road from the earth to sky. Here it is a road. According to the poet, bridge, that is rainbow. Rainbow is a, so here rainbow is a road that connects to earth to sky. Connect earth to sky. So which is prettier far than this. Far than this means far than the bridges that made by human being. So here we have already completed this point at two stanzas, and you have to do all the questions answer of the for homework. So here page number, what is, you write page number here, that 12 page. You have to do all the questions till 1 to 14. Question number 1 to 14. That is all. Okay, goodbye.